Hi, I'm Connie Sue. Welcome to the series on performance measurement. Production downtime is undesirable for any plant. Every hour the production goes offline, output decreases. At a paper bag manufacturing plant, a key performance indicator the plant manager looks at is the production uptime. The result is tracked weekly. When the result is presented on a dashboard, a rolling average is used. This is how they calculate the rolling average. They take the uptime for the week and average that number with the uptime for the previous 2 weeks. They call it the rolling average uptime. The rationale for using the rolling average is that preventive maintenance is known and unanticipated downtime should be infrequent, and therefore the rolling average would present a better overall production picture. Averages are usually used for estimation purposes. For example, estimating the production capacity for the month. It is important to note that averages smooth out variations and make them difficult to detect. In this case, it is better and more informative to use actual uptime results, because averages tend to present a business as usual picture when there might be underlying changes that should be noted. The purpose of performance monitoring is to identify anomalies early so that you can do proper diagnosis and take proactive action. Smoothing out the results by averaging them camouflages the real situation. Thank you for watching. I'm Connie Sue.